everyone, marhaban, كيفكم زين؟ أنا زين alhamdulillah. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is yet another video. It's the continuation of my last video. As you understand, every week I make at least 2 to 3 videos of what I've learned. It's just a recap. So whatever I'm posting here is already what I have learned. I'm just bringing it here for revision and also for anyone who wish to learn Arabic with me. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube space. I'm trying to learn Emirati Arabic and see how it goes. So far, everything is going on very well. As I mentioned also in my previous video, I've learned more than 300 Emirati Arabic words. This is so amazing. Proud of myself. Alright, so let's get started into today's video. So this video, we're going to talk about feelings. For example, I am tired. Ana taban. Ana taban. If you're referring to a female, you'll say ana tabana. Ana tabana. In a sentence, ana taban وايد اليوم. I am tired too much today. Or اليوم أنا تعبان ما أعرف ليش. I am tired today, I don't know why. اليوم أنا تعبان ما أعرف ليش. Okay? I am hungry. أنا جوعان. أنا جوعان. Other people say أنا جوعان. Okay? And if you're referring to a female, you say أنا جوعانة or أنا جوعانة. In a sentence, أنا جوعان اليوم أنا أكلت خبز وشاي بس عشان شي أنا جوعان. Today I'm hungry because I ate only bread and tea. That's why I'm hungry. Okay? Or I'm hungry, I didn't eat today. أنا جوعان ما أكلت شيء اليوم. ما أكلت شيء اليوم. If you watch my previous videos, you will learn about negating. Like for example, ما أكلت, I didn't eat. I ate, أكلت. So you will learn about negating in my previous video. Another one, I am sick. أنا مريض. أنا مريض. If you're female, أنا مريضة. أنا مريضة. I am sick. I'm going to the hospital. أنا مريض بصير مستشفى. أنا مريض بصير مستشفى. Or أنا مريض عشان ما بصير دوام اليوم. I am sick. That's why I am not going to work today or I didn't go to work today. أنا ما بصير دوام اليوم or أنا ما بصير شغل اليوم. Most sentences about I am happy. I'm happy I will travel next week. أنا مستانس بسافر أسبوع أسبوع الجاي. أنا مستانسة خلصت الواجب. I'm happy I finished my homework. I am happy اشتريت سيارة. I am happy I bought a car. أنا مستانسة بشتري البيت. I am happy I will buy a house. Another one, I am thirsty. أنا عطشان. أنا عطشان. We did this in my previous video. This is just a recap and revision. If you're talking to a female, أنا عطشانة. أنا عطشانة. Like for example, I am thirsty. I want water. أنا عطشان أبى ماي. أبى ماي بارد. أنا عطشان. Or you can be thirsty of juice. أنا عطشان أبى عصير بارد. أبى عصير بارد. شو عصير تبى? Which juice do you want? أنا أبى عصير lemon. I want lemon juice. Or whatever juice you want. Or you can say you feel thirsty, you want to drink coffee. Aba ashrab gawa. Aba ashrab gawa. Gawa. Guys, pronouncing these words is still really difficult for me, but I'm really trying. Whenever I'm learning, I try as much as possible to try pronounce these words. Like for example, that is really still difficult for me. Like for example, coffee, gawa, gawa. That one needs to come from inside. Okay, guys, that is it for today. I hope you learned something. Please go ahead and do practice, rewatch the videos, comment, like, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this video. Alright, see you in the next one. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. مع السلامة.